Hello my dear art fellows! Today we will paint lovely illustration in watercolor in Japanese style. How to paint such kind of illustration? Today I will tell you. We will create illustration in fun and easy way. It will be a pretty relaxing class and I'll take you through the whole journey. I will show you all my painting process steps and of course I prepared for you lots of freebies. First of all, I'll tell you how to use and export all our freebies. Then I'll teach you how to create texture paper because this is so important for our watercolor process. So after that we'll create sketch and next step we will start painting. I will show you step-by-step process painting in Japanese style. I will show you how to add semi-transparent watercolor stains thanks to the stem brushes that I prepared for you. And in the end we will have our lovely illustration. Also we will explore what is clipping mask, how to use layers and blending modes, and how to use curves, hue, saturation and brightness tool. This is so simple, but it will help you to turn your illustration in a beautiful piece of art. And in the end we will create lovely watercolor artwork in Japanese style full of harmony and peace. My name is Inga, I am freelance illustrator and I am obsessed with watercolor magic and cute things. And during my classes I teach how to use Procreate, I show different magical tips and tricks, how to ease your painting process and how to create lovely illustrations in watercolor style. So we will draw our first sketch and try to incorporate elements of storytelling. Choose your favorite composition and recreate it on watercolor paper with soft lines. I'm gonna focus on painting beautiful and harmonious compositions as our final project, and your project will be the same. To create watercolor illustration in Japanese style in any way you like, and you can choose any sketch you want. And as a bonus, I will show you how to create texture paper for our watercolor illustration. I will share with you new custom brush set, color palettes that I created. I will also add file of my pictures that I drew. Feel free to use it for your own art project. This class is great for intermediate level, also can be useful for beginners. If you watched my previous classes, an experienced artist, probably here you can find an inspiration and new ways how to create Japanese style illustrations. I really want you guys to join me. I tried my best to make this tutorial fun and creative. Completing this class will help you to learn new ways how to paint artworks in watercolor style, and also to get general knowledge about Japanese art and how to wisely use space and add cute elements to your illustration. I can't wait to start this class, and I definitely can't wait to see what you upload to project section. Please feel free to enroll and let's enjoy painting process together.